Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on QNRX because it is one of today's leading gappers, being up over 50% as we're recording this video. So to get straight into it, we can see QNRX is currently actually halted, but it is currently sitting around this $6 mark. So where do we see it going? What are some support and resistance levels that we're looking out for? So for this we will be using a 4-hour and a daily chart. And we can see that right now, at least on the 4-hour, it is above all the deviations that we normally look at. Seeing this, it means it is quite overextended, and it is something we would be a bit more bearish on because we think it is kind of overbought. So looking on the 4-hour alone, we can see some support levels if we come down, going to the 445, the 335, 225 and $1. But then we can also be paying attention to the daily because its levels are a bit further apart, and we can see around 290 that is a support / resistance level on the daily, which is the first deviation, but really its next deviation is quite far away, being around 1060. So where we're currently sitting, if QNRX unhalts and pushes up, our kind of main resistance that we're looking up to the upside will also obviously be the intraday high. If we can break this, may show some strength, and we could expect to push to 1060. But if it starts coming down, we could see some support levels coming into 445, 335, 290, 225 and 110. And again, you can use these levels in different ways. If you're looking to get long the stock, you can look to play the bounces off these levels. If you're looking to short the stock, you can also look to short these levels, but more you would wait for it to kind of break through that level, come back, retest it, hold it, see that more selling pressure comes in, and if more selling pressure does come in, start building that short position. We could expect to push usually to that next deviation, would usually be our target if we're looking at it as more of a day trade, which you usually are when you're trading these small caps kind of stocks. Now if you want some resistance levels going even further, then we do have $18, $25 and $26, but obviously that is very far from where we are now, so you can be paying attention to around 677 because this is the half deviation of the daily, so it is going to cause some sort of resistance, but as it is a half deviation, we aren't paying a ton of attention to it. We usually cut size while looking to trade this kind of trade, or we just use it as maybe a guidance if we're already long the stock, maybe use it as a target. If we're short and it breaks through this level, maybe use it as a stop loss. And then if we can break this 1060, then we do have a half deviation around this 1450. So again, you can use the same kind of thing. If you're maybe shorting at the 1060 or the 12 or the $14, $13, whatever you're looking to short at, that could be a stop loss if we kind of break over this level. And if we're looking to get long, you can use it if it comes back, tests a level, buying pressure comes in, maybe just cut some size, don't use normal size on it. But really that is the breakdown on QNRX. We can't really see too much until it unhalts, and then we can see it either push up or down. But again, those are the levels that we've given. So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.
And maybe I'm crazy.